If your Gmail inbox is overflowing and you want a fast way to clean it up, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to bulk delete emails in Gmail so you can clear out old messages, reduce clutter, and get back to a more organized inbox. This method is simple, free, and works right inside Gmail without needing any extra tools. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you're asked to do so. If you already have Gmail open, just make sure you're in the correct account before continuing. This is important if you manage more than one email address. Now, decide where you want to start cleaning. You can bulk delete emails from your inbox, promotions, social, or any other category or folder you want to clear out. If your goal is to delete a specific type of message, open that category first. For example, if you want to remove a bunch of promotional emails, click Promotions at the top. If you want to delete everything in your main inbox, stay in Inbox. Once you're in the right place, look at the top left above your list of emails. You'll see a checkbox. Click that checkbox to select the emails currently shown on the page. Gmail usually selects the first page of conversations at once. After that, if you want to select every email in that folder or category, look for the option that says Select All Conversations. Click that to expand your selection across all messages, not just the ones visible on screen. This step is very useful when you want to delete a large number of emails quickly. Instead of checking each message one by one, Gmail lets you select them in bulk. Just take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right emails before moving forward, especially if you have important conversations mixed in with the ones you want to remove. After your emails are selected, go to the top toolbar and click the trash icon. This is the delete button in Gmail. Once you click it, the selected emails will be moved to trash. At this point, they're not permanently gone yet, which is actually helpful in case you delete something by mistake. You can still recover messages from trash for a limited time if needed. If you're only trying to clean up your inbox, moving the emails to trash may be enough. But if you want to permanently remove them, there's one more step. On the left side menu, click Trash. Inside the trash folder, you'll see all the emails you deleted. To clear them out completely, click Empty Trash Now. This permanently deletes those messages and frees up your inbox space. It's a good idea to use this carefully because once trash is emptied, those emails can't usually be restored. So before you do that, double check that you don't need anything inside that folder anymore. And that's it. You now know how to bulk delete emails in Gmail, whether you just want to move them to trash or permanently remove them for good. It's a quick way to organize your mailbox and keep things under control, especially if you receive a lot of messages every day. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.